Hi, I'm Marina. I work at Upliance. I head marketing here.
Hi, I'm Ishwarya. I'm a food scientist and I develop recipes here.
Some of you might know that Marinating Paneer is sort of gained some infamy.
What are we making?
हम बना रहे हैं कढ़ाई पनीर.
Ah, nice.
So today what we will do is I'm going to cook Marinating Paneer on the Upliance and
I'll be following a YouTube recipe.
I'm going to make it on kadai. I think one of the criticisms we keep getting is that cooking is not that hard. I can follow a YouTube recipe and make the same thing, but I'm here to prove you wrong. You notice that Aishwarya is going to start talking before me. I'm going to take a minute to sort of show all the new people, all the features of the product, and then start. So this is the touchscreen, this is the jar. The touchscreen gives you all the instructions for cooking. So you'll notice that I've got the kadai paneer recipe already open. If you swipe up, it starts showing the ingredients.
The smart jar has a blade and a heating element at the bottom. So while it chops, it also stirs, and when I add oil, it cooks. You'll be able to see all of this in action in a couple of seconds. Because who wants to clean up so much? This is one large spoon of oil.
All the exposed spices are going to heat up at 100 degrees C. Maybe in a few seconds you'll see smoke come out of there.
Smoke is already coming out from here. And you're not competing on what is smoking first.
I marinated paneer before you. They're being needlessly competitive.
Just like you. I've turned into you. And don't even pretend.
I can sit. You don't have a chair to sit you.
Chilies with their tops off already. And now, this is my favorite part of
My paneer will cut and I'm crying, but from joy, even if it looks like pain. But you all want to cut onions, why am I crying? I'm gonna pretend. Don't cry.
No, I'm going to crack my tongue.
Another thing you'll notice is that everything that happens in the deli shop happens inside the deli shop. Tomatoes cutting to 120 grams.
Look at this color.
Guys, you can buy this color at home for 27 rupees. Add it to anything that you want to make extra red and extra tangy. And only the cheap box at 27 bucks you can have this. The tribe has voted. I'm flooring. I only have said this word out loud. Hi, I'm sorry.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Don't do it a good thing. It's making so much sound. Yes, that is the problem with cooking with the appliance. It's the sound, guys. It's not this. So I did not use the red paste that I should have bought to make the curry look red. So my sauce is orange because it uses real tomatoes.
There's a lot of shading from
Paneer. Now I go to the cooking moment. Actually, why is paneer only brown on one side?
People don't know this.
So when they ask you to golden roast paneer, guys, it's supposed to be all sides. I think it's essentially cheating at this point. She's just browned them on one side, turned them around for the camera, and she's like, guys, I'm done. The clever of you will notice that not all of them are even cooked.
Kindly, you can see it.
Wow. But it's such a wow. Do you want me to do this for some time?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Hello, my old friend. I'm back to you.
Yeah, I said I have to pitch in. It doesn't feel too cooking on the gas is a two people job now. Yeah, baby's finally getting named. Dear friends, shoot my baby. No, the paneer is already out by then. We were being marinated. Should we need to watch it? And also to understand why cooking shows exist. Because I think if there was a cooking show with just Upliance, it would mostly be people like me sitting on the side and looking for something to do.
Meanwhile, if they were on cut, they would be 1 hour later. This is very hot. This is very hot.
It's fine actually. So this is a very versatile thing, right? There's lots of sourness and tan. The paneer is perfectly roasted because someone else took over and made sure it was roasted. I don't really like it, it's too sour. If you're wondering what's the difference between cooking on gas and following a YouTube video and cooking on the appliance, well, this is it. Someone who cooks on the appliance can also help the people who are cooking on gas because they need it.
Like, share, subscribe, guys. The bell icon.
I don't. There is a bell icon on your screen somewhere.
Here's the bell icon. And here's the like. Here's the bell icon. Like.